Right everyone, good day. It's Grizz and Taffy. We're out in the rain. Just a short little video. We're going to do a Q&A for Taffy, questions and answers. It's right, I'm just talking to YouTube. It's right. So we're going to do a Q&A for Taffy and her new bike. And just talking about with her how she's getting on with her new bike, because it's always hard when we're out on the bikes without Taffy having a proper microphone set up. So we're going to do a proper kind of chat, probably in the garage with the bikes behind us, and do a little kind of Q&A questions. So please post up your questions in the comment section on this video, and we will do our best, or Taffy will do her best to answer them in a video. I've posted this up also like on Twitter and Instagram, and yeah, thought I'd also give you guys, obviously YouTube, you my viewers, or our viewers, sorry, to put their questions in as well. So this weather is just gorgeous. I'm going to end this one here, guys. It's only a super short one, just to say hello, and we're doing an interview or a chat with Taffy about her new bike. So please post out your questions, and yeah, maybe we can give you some insight as to how Taffy's getting on. Thanks everyone. Look forward to answering your questions soon. Cheers. Bye.